let's have a look at the new place I have moved to. This will be the workshop. Pretty messy at the moment. This has been a child's room before. As you can see on the wallpaper, it's pretty yellow. I've got this space decoration here. It's one of the old control cabinets. And this part outside the room is like a storage area. A lot of scrap here at the moment. This room here will be the interesting room. The emergency power and some solar power will be in here. You can see all these batteries will be connected up to an inverter. And they can be charged with solar power or with the mains. So this is a 48 volt system. Here we got 8 of these 12 volt 112 amp hour batteries. And these small ones are 63 amp hour batteries. This will be the control cabinet for it. Pretty empty at the moment. Here we got the old consumer unit. This will be removed. We got some asbestos sheet at the back. So an authorized company will come here and remove it. Because asbestos is not something that you will just remove by yourself. And inside of this little cabinet here, we got some batteries and a UPS. This will be mainly for powering the oil furnace at a power outage. Here is the furnace room. Here's the actual furnace. Got the burner here. Some circulation pumps. And this is a big oil tank. So how much oil is left in there? The smaller number, the more oil. This has a circulation pump for the floor heating. And this one is for the radiators. We got one shunt valve here. And one over here. So you need to adjust these manually. So what I think to do is just leave them as they are. Maybe a little bit more on this one. That one determines how hot the inlet water is for the heating elements. And instead controlling it by shutting down the circulation pumps. In that way I will save some electricity at the same time. With this expansion tank on the top here. And some deaerator. This is for hot water. And I already bought some pipe insulation to insulate these pipes. Got a switch for a burner. And there's the water inlet with the water meter. On the other side of this wall here, there's a battery compartment. And we'll run some cables out of a hole here. I will put a junction box on the wall, and from that junction box there will go cables to these motors, to these circulation pumps and some temperature sensors. And maybe some controlling for this oil furnace. It even has a heating element. So if my solar panels generate more electricity that I use, I can heat the water with it and shut down this burner. So the furnace room was on the other side of this wall. This is the chimney, so the cables will run on this cable ladder here and go to the other side. And I will make a good wooden stand like this one for these batteries. Look at that.